Hello everyone, once again this is Crypto Project Review, and today we will be talking about Kawaii Cake. Kawaii Cake, a BSC token with auto-generating cake reflection. Is this project investable, or is this project doomed to fail just like any other project? I personally look into this project. I've already reviewed this one. I don't recommend this project. This will just hype and then die. There is no future in this project. I don't recommend this. Okay, so do your own research. Disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. Continue watching the video and find out why I will not invest into this project. Okay, let's get started. BSC token with auto-generating cake reflection. So basically, they will reward the holders with cake. Buy and hold Kawaii Cake and automatically receive cake. See, again, this project encourages holders to hold for long term because there is no real world use case. As I always say, if there's no real world use case, they will encourage you to hold. Okay? And they've got reflection cake, so that means they will need a newcomers and new buyers every now and then, which is impossible because there's new projects out there every day, every hour. Okay, so this will not last long. This will die. This will just hype and die. Okay, so Kawaii Cake token benefits: 8% cake reflections. 8% of every transaction is used to purchase cake and redistributed to all Kawaii Cake holders. So they've got cake and reflection. Okay, so 8% is used to purchase cake and redistributed to all Kawaii Cake holders. Again, they will encourage you to hold, not to sell, because there is no real world use case. So they will just ask you to hold. Why would I hold? I want the token that I can use to buy online or offline. There's utility, real world use case. Okay, because there's no real use case for this token, they will ask the buyer to the holders to hold long term. Okay, so auto payout every day, auto payout every hour. That means this is just like a Ponzi scheme. They need newcomers, new buyers every hour as well. Without buyers or without newcomers, this will die. And it's impossible to achieve that newcomers every day. I've seen loads of projects bigger than this, but they die. Given donations, millions and millions of donations, they die. People get tired. There's new project every day. If they will just hold, people can't hold. They want real world use case. Okay, hold at least 200k of the Kawaii Cake token and automatically receives cake in your wallet. Yeah, that smart contract, it will give you cake. But if there is no newcomers, no new buyers, it's not going to happen. So this is just getting from Paul to give Mary. It's a Ponzi scheme. It's like Ponzi scheme. Okay, it's like pyramiding because there is no real world use case. So 4% auto liquidity, 4% of every transaction is sent to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool to ensure a healthy price floor. Healthy price floor. We'll check about that if it's really healthy price floor. Liquidity DEX lock. All investments are saved from the rug pools. Okay, the liquidity tokens will be locked with DEX locker. Okay, so what is Kawaii Cake? Kawaii Cake is community powered DeFi token with real utility. So they declare they've got real utility. Now we'll check what's the real utility. The smart contract that run Kawaii Cake implement the latest trend in BSC token auto dividend yielding with auto deposit feature. By simply buying and holding Kawaii Cake, you are rewarded cake. So I thought there's a utility. Why would I hold? Utility means you can buy online, you can buy offline. That's the real world utility, real world use case. So this is not utility. You will just ask the buyer to hold. The more Kawaii Cake you hold, again, they will encourage you to hold. See? The more cake you are rewarded, your cake is automatically deposited into your wallet. This new token feature removes the need to claim your cake rewards manually. So they will need new buyer every hour, newcomers every hour. Ponzi scheme. It's just like that. Cake is the utility and governance token for PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is the most popular decentralized exchange on BSC network. So again, they've got YouTube, which is a paid promotion. You gotta remember, our review here is not paid. Okay, this is not a paid promotion. We don't accept payment. Okay, stake your cake for passive income. Again, they want you to stake as well. Aside from holding, you need to stake it as well. They encourage you to stake because there is no real world. They don't want you to sell. Okay, they don't want you to sell. Why? I thought you've got auto liquidity that will to ensure a healthy price floor. So why worry about holding? Why worry about selling if you've got a auto liquidity? Yeah. So you can stake your cake and have your money earn more money by taking advantage of PancakeSwap's auto compounding feature. You can stake your cake with the benefit of high APYs and automatically compound your earnings to earn more cake. This is just like a pyramiding, as I said. You need more buyers and newcomers. Okay, but this will die. There's always new projects. Roadmap. This is very important. Every project, every business, every investment needs a roadmap so you know where you're going. So phase 1, we don't know that is team meeting, brand design, website creation, social media setup, website launch, fair launch, ads. Phase 2, contract creation, mainnet, upload, BEC, scan, verify, PancakeSwap listing, liquidity lock, fair launch. Social influencer, community building, Pocoins ad, tick rate audit, CoinGecko on CMC listing, logo on Trust Wallet. Now phase 4, this is the last phase. We don't know when is this going to happen. Expanded marketing, website update, Kawaii Cake merchandise, Kawaii Cake NFT. This is a saturated market. There's loads of big names out there with NFTs and they're not doing well as well. Artist partnerships, Ethereum token. So they're releasing an Ethereum token as well with Kawaii Cake. Phase 4. I cannot see any real utility. They said that there's the only token with real utility. Powered with DeFi token with real utility. I cannot see any real utility. You cannot use it to buy merchandise online or offline. That's the real utility. You can use it on a daily basis. But this one, because there is no real utility, they will ask the buyer to hold. They will ask you to hold if you want to purchase this one. But I don't recommend this project. This will just hype and then die. There's no real world use case. So there is a frequently asked questions there. How to purchase. Okay, so again, when Moon, when Lambo. These are saturated words. I mean, these are overused words. So now, let us check the chart. It already slumped. Look at that. It hypes and now it's slumping. It's just how many days? 3 days. More selling than buying. See? There's only 40 BNB there and it already slumped. See, look at that. This is one seller. This one, look at this. Only one seller, see? Only one buyer. He bought it here. See? And then sell it here. That's just one buyer. Look at the graph. See? This one different buyer. See? Look at that. It's already slumping. That's already 50%. Okay? It pumps and now it dumps. It's not going anywhere. It's gonna die. There's no future in this project. I don't recommend this project. Let us check the Div wallet. Okay, that's their Div wallet. So BNB, Kawaii Cake, send to wallet, Div send to wallet. Okay, oh, that's a lot. And Div send to wallet, send to wallet, send to wallet. So this sent to wallet 2 trillion to 2 billion, 2 billion and 5 billion. So that's more or less 10 billion Div sent to wallet. Now let's check the warning of this token. As I said, guys, this token has no future. This is not investable. I don't recommend this project. I'm not gonna invest in this project. So there is a warning. So token owner not renounced. Top holders liquidity warning. See, there is a warning in top liquidity. Who is the top holders in the liquidity detected address? This one. Who is this one? EO. So there's a top holders. Let's check that wallet. If it's a buying. Kawaii cake. So he bought. So there's a whales already. So this will not last long. This will die. Okay, so there's a warning there. So there's a whales, or there's a guy holding a big chunk of the token. So guys, I don't recommend this project. There's no future in this project. Okay, thank you very much, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification for our future updates. Bye bye.